Hello everybody and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you a fix if your Monopoly Go is not loading. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as you can see, I am in the Monopoly Go right now. So if your Monopoly is not loading, don't worry, players may or may not experience crashes during gameplay. If in case you encounter crashes, we encourage you to do the following. So first off, what you can do is just restart your game. So just close the game and then go back to the game, and this will restart your game and hope this will fix that error. But in case if you still face that error, what you can do is restart your device. So you can just press and hold the power button and you will see our restart button. So just click on the restart button, and after your device has restarted, hopefully the problem will be solved. After that, what you can check is that your game has been updated to the latest version. You can just go on Play Store and make sure that there is no update available for Monopoly Go. After that, make sure that your battery percentage is above 20% for iOS or Android for smoother gaming experience. And after that, what you can do is just tap and hold on your game, click the app info button, and then from here you will click on storage and cache. Now click on the clear cache button, and this will help you to remove bugs from your game. And last but not least, what I recommend to close all the other app while playing the game. That will make your game smoother and it will surely fix the error. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.